Is Swami Vivekananda a religious preacher or a motivational speaker or a leader of a particular group? Or is he an orator? Or is he a social reformer? Who is he? For me, Swami Vivekananda is all of the above. I consider Swami Vivekananda is an incarnation of God, an avatara. An avatara is born when there is darkness and when people needs liberation. Swami Vivekananda was born in the dark ages when Bharat was ruled by the foreign countries, foreign power. And they successfully made the Bharatiyas the divide and rule. And they successfully implanted the inferiority complex on us. These are dark ages where Swami Vivekananda came down to this earth as an avatara Purusha to liberate from these negative qualities. Swami Vivekananda has inspired me in many ways. Courage to face the world, the negative thoughts and the negative things around us. Motivation to succeed in this life. Stop not till the goal is reached. And he has inspired me to see myself in fellow being. That's a simple thing called Advaita. Swami Vivekananda is important in today's national scenario and, of course, international scenario. Bharat got liberated from the foreign rule in 1947. But have we changed since 1947? Maybe yes, but how much have we changed? We are still reeling with the inferiority complex. Anything foreign means we think it's great. Anything Bharat, little bit, yes. We still reel with inferior complex. And the divide and rule practiced by the foreign rule, we still have it. Only the top administration has changed. But what is happening now in Bharat? We are divided by caste. We are divided by religion. We are divided by what we do in our work. Rich, the poor, the unfortunate, we are divided. We are proud to be called ourselves Bharatiyas. We are proud to call ourselves living after the independence. But is it really true? Swami Vivekananda is very relevant at this age to have a second revolution, a second independence to come out of these negative forces. Swami Vivekananda trusted in the youth of India. In Chennai, he said, "Give 100 youth, I will change the world." It still applies. The youth need Swami Vivekananda. The present day youth need Swami Vivekananda. We are faced with modern problems. The technology has gone to the skies, but along with the technology comes the negative things. Let's take the social media. Let's take the addiction problems. Let's take terrorism, racism, discrimination. It still exists, not only in Bharat, everywhere in the world. A man hates another man because he is from a different caste, different religion, or different status in life. What did Swami Vivekananda preach? He preached Advaita. He preached the oneness, the God exists in every one of us. So he preached, and he called this in a very simple term as practical Vedanta. Swami Vivekananda is the need of the hour for the youth of Bharat. Adi Shankara taught Advaita. Adi Shankara's works is priceless. But Swami Vivekananda brought the Advaita to the common people like me and you. Advaita is the philosophy of oneness. That's what we say, Namaskaram. I salute the God within me, and the same God exists in you. The God doesn't live in the heavens or anywhere else. The God lives in every being, human beings, the plants, the animals. Advaita teaches that. But Advaita was taught in the jungles and with rishis and with the learned. But this man, Swami Vivekananda, made it simple. Made it so that everybody can understand the core philosophy of Advaita and application in real life. Bharat needs Swami Vivekananda's Advaita for the time. Present day youth, we are searching for answers. How to overcome discrimination? How to overcome racism? How can we handle racism and discrimination? How can we improve the world? We don't have to go anywhere. Present day youth, we have the solution among ourselves. Yes, Swami Vivekananda has given it in a very, very easy way, very powerful way, very effective way. Swami Vivekananda's Advaita philosophy applies even today, and it will apply for tomorrow's world. The youth have to embrace that. We are busy with our social media. We are busy going through very fast. We don't have patience here. A doctor will give the prescription. This prescription needs to be practiced, not kept in the shelves and worshipped, not to be talked about, but that prescription needs to be practiced every day. Swami Vivekananda's prescription to the present day world is Advaita Vedanta, which he has termed as practical Vedanta. He founded the great Ramakrishna mission and the Ramakrishna Math in the principles of Atmano Mokshartham Jagat Hitaya Cha, for one's salvation and for the welfare of the entire world, because I have to see myself in every living being. Swami Vivekananda is the solution